A new law makes it easier for a jail to take money from people even before they're convicted of a crime.
WDRB investigators Travis Ragsdale and Jason Riley look into how the law raises questions about constitutional rights.
This is malicious, it's malevolent, it's venal. I think it's unconstitutional.
If you can't tell,
This is sick. This is sick. It's infuriating.
Attorney Greg Belsley is upset.
There's two types of punishment in America, neither of which can be imposed against your will except by a court of law, which applies due process.
He's been fighting an issue with Kentucky county jails for a decade. Since 2000, jails in the Commonwealth have had an automatic way to make money: jail fees. Anytime someone was booked into a county jail, the jailer could charge them a booking fee and a daily fee. And the jails could keep it, even if the person was found not guilty or the charges were dropped. Belsley sued back in 2010, saying the fees were a punishment and only courts can issue punishments. Last year, the Kentucky Supreme Court sided with him, ruling only a judge can impose the fee. But then, quietly, this past January,
13 members voting nay. House Bill 590 is passed.
the state legislature changed the law.
And this bill just addresses the fact that a county jail would be able to deduct from a prisoner's canteen account the amounts due to them for the housing of that inmate.
Sponsor Michael Meredith argued the fees help fund jails. Now, the jailer, not the judge, can decide what fees an inmate pays, even before they are convicted.
It's a person that's been arrested for a crime. They haven't been found guilty. They're entitled to a presumption of innocence. They're as innocent as you and me.
The bill also says if a person is found not guilty or if charges are dropped, then the jailer must pay that money back. But how that process works is still up for debate.
The jury's still out on that one. There is some argument that it's incumbent on the individual to come back and ask for it. And there are some that believe, the court case has to be followed. I don't think there is a consensus on it as we speak.
Some of Meredith's fellow Republicans even criticized the change.
If I had a child in jail and I went down and put $50 on his account, then the jail would take 50% of that. Is that correct?
Gentleman from Edmondson.
Lady, that is correct.
Man, I hope I don't ever get in jail.
Belsley believes it's only a matter of time before the new version of the law is once again challenged in court.
Jail fees are a punishment. They're a punishment just like a fine, okay? And, you have to have due process before you can be lawfully punished in this country. Plain and simple.
With photojournalist Darius Bowie, Travis Ragsdale, WDRB News.
If you have information about this story or any story you think our Investigates team should look into, you can email us at investigate@wdrb.com or call 502-322-1297.